Hey guys, Jacob here with Norsk Lithium, and in this video I'm going to walk you through some of the key features of our 12-volt 180 amp hour starting battery. This battery was designed using lithium iron phosphate, or LiFePO4 chemistry, and is specifically designed and tested to work with the most popular outboards in the industry. With 1200 cranking amps, this battery has the amps you need for reliable starting every time. Now the 12-volt 180 starting battery comes in a BCI compliant Group 31 case, weighs 46 pounds and is IP67 waterproof. Now there are two ways this starting battery differs from our standard deep cycle battery. First, our starting batteries feature triple terminals. This lets you spread the wiring across 3 terminals for cleaner and flexible rigging. Now the second feature that's only found in our starting batteries will make sure you never get stranded on the water again with a dead battery. This feature is Emergency Start Reserve, or commonly known as ESR, which locks in 25% of the battery's capacity as a reserve, ensuring you'll always have the power you need to start your outboard at the end of a long day on the water. ESR can be activated by holding the power management button on the top of the battery until you see 2 lights, or through the Norsk Guardian App. It's like having a jump pack built right into the top of the battery. Now before we get into some of the other advanced features, let's briefly cover the benefits of lithium. Now compared to lead acid, this battery is half the weight and delivers twice the runtime, and it charges up to 5 times faster. This means less weight in your boat, more time on the water, and a faster recharge between trips. Lithium is also able to deeply discharge without losing capacity over time. That results in extended lifespan. These are just some of the benefits you'll get with lithium and why everyone's making the switch. Now let's talk about why everyone's making the switch to Norsk Lithium batteries. Our marine batteries are jam-packed with a variety of advanced features. First, our batteries feature an advanced battery management system. The BMS, which is like the brain of the battery, provides a variety of protections like short circuit, overcharging, reverse polarity. Also, the BMS provides temperature monitoring. Now, all starting batteries are equipped with thermal core heating technology. This feature automatically warms the battery cells when charging at temps below freezing, ensuring a safe charge once the optimal temperature is reached. Now, this helps preserve the life of the battery and is a critical feature for any angler wanting to charge during spring and fall where the temps get cold at night. Now, another advanced feature found in the 12-volt 180 is Bluetooth. This allows you to connect your phone to our free Norsk Guardian App. Now, we've designed this app from the ground up with features not found in any other battery apps. Once connected to Guardian, you can monitor multiple batteries at the same time, create battery groups with custom names, check the battery's charging status or current draw, set up alert notifications, and activate advanced features such as deep sleep. Now with deep sleep, you can easily disconnect the power from your battery's terminals right from the Guardian app, eliminating phantom draw and preventing fully discharged batteries. This feature is perfect for seasonal or long-term storage. Now if you don't have your phone, you can access deep sleep through the one-touch power management button on the top of the battery. This button, along with the state of charge meter and bright LEDs, allows you to check your battery status or access advanced features such as resetting the BMS. This meter is really handy to have if you want to quickly check your status. Now let's talk about lifespan. These batteries are rated for over 4,000 charge cycles. Now one cycle is completely draining the battery and charging it back up again. This translates into about 15 to 20 years of dependable performance. Now, along with these advanced features, extended lifespan, and superior construction, we've backed our batteries with a 10+ 2-year non-prorated warranty. That's 10 years standard and an extra 2 years when you register your batteries through the Norsk Guardian app. Now, we've designed these batteries through feedback from our team of pro tournament anglers and fishing guides, making sure you can trust them in the harshest conditions. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance starting battery for your marine outboard, check out the 12-volt 180 lithium battery from Norsk Lithium.